This is absolute proof that Bitcoin is the ultimate investment asset. Without a doubt, you guys need to watch this video right to the very end because it's going to be short, sweet, to the point. I have plenty charts to show you, and I'm just showing you what the world economy is seeing right now. Guys, the awareness is growing, the consciousness is growing with Bitcoin. People are becoming more aware that Bitcoin is the number one asset to have, but it is only increasing slowly. And I'm going to show you a few beautiful documents that I developed and showed and that I can share with you, some charts that I can share with you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you guys get more notifications like this when I release great content like this for you. So hope you guys enjoy it. Much love and welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. Let's dive right into this, guys. So oh, man. Wow, wow, wow. So, first of all, I have irrefutable proof. Now, we know that investors across the world absolutely love gold, right? Peter Schiff loves gold. Paul Tudor Jones that loves gold. Mike Maloney loves gold. They are all gold bugs, guys. And I love them to bits and pieces. They are incredible investors. I love them, those three very specifically. I love them more than Warren Buffett because the way that they think is very different to others. But I wanted to go and show you something here that I have found in a number of charts based on the information and the knowledge, the research that I continue to do for you guys and for the benefit of myself and my own family. Guys, I do this as a fun exercise hobby for you guys and for myself to learn more. And I'm just sharing with you exactly what it is that I'm learning. So make sure to go and check these videos out. And with this video that I just released a few hours ago with the breaking SEC, who is tired and giving up, guys, we are on the verge of something absolutely spectacular right here, right now. So first chart I want to show you guys. Okay, this is the ZAO BTC or gold BTC chart. Now, as you guys can see, literally gold has been absolutely obliterated against Bitcoin. Okay, I'm going to go from the top of the chart. Okay, from where it once was. Okay, as you can see, I'm still scrolling. I'm still scrolling. I'm still scrolling. Back when Bitcoin was first incepted, guess what? Look at where this chart was. You could literally get for one bar of gold, you could get 100, call it 131,000 Bitcoin for one piece of gold. Do you see what I'm saying to you guys? Okay, so gold's value against Bitcoin has been completely eroded. And that is exactly why Michael Saylor continues to say to you guys that Bitcoin is the number one investment without a doubt, without failure. Guys, I have a few other charts that I will share with you and show you, but now I'm going to draw back and I'm going to zoom into where we are right now, okay? Because I'm going to go, okay? You can see I have to now pull the chart into some incredible space here. Let's just make sure that we keep it. Look where we are today. We're at 0.07 pieces of gold will get you one yes, 0.07 pieces of gold will get you one Bitcoin, okay? That is how much it has drastically dropped. Now, if I had to go and get a calculator for you guys, and I have to go and show you what that is, 131,000 divided by 0.07, I'm even going to put the 161. Bitcoin has gained nearly 1.83 million times against gold. Okay, guys, since inception. So this is proof 100% undoubtedly so that Bitcoin is the greatest asset. People say that, Mike Maloney, Peter Schiff, they all say that that gold is the number one asset, guys. It was the number one asset before Bitcoin came alive. As you can see here, Bitcoin is literally the number one asset in history. Now look at where we are on this time frame here, guys, I need to show you very, very, very clearly right now. As you can see, we've got a trend line that is still on the downward momentum. Yes, we may have some bullish momentum at some point, but if we look at the stochastic RSI here, we have been extremely oversold already since, overbought since 2021 August. Okay, that's already 2 years we have been oversold, guys. Look at the highs that the lower highs that have been made all the way from over here already. Okay, gold hasn't been able to reclaim its value against Bitcoin. Look at this candle here. Look at all of this. I want to go now down into the daily time frame, guys. I want to show you the daily time frame because the daily time frame is even more powerful than the okay, let's go back there. ZAR BTC. Okay, so if you want to go and look at it, it's called ZAR BTC. So let's go back to the daily time frame on this chart. Look at that, guys. Okay, so I just want to squeeze down this chart for you on this time frame so that you have line of sight as actually where this move has come from. Okay. Okay, there you go. Finally. Okay, look at this. Okay, so since 2021, since 2020, gold hasn't been able to break this resistance zone. We have literally created lower highs. Okay, although recently we have created higher lows, which is still okay. But as you can see, we're still in that pattern and that triangular trend here. And guys, might I just say, on the daily time frame, we are very, very oversold. Overbought as well, which if I zoom into the daily time frame, as you can see right here, we are creating lower highs already and higher lows. So we're coming to convergence. So we need to make a decision here by the 23rd of November, by the 22nd of November this year, as to whether Bitcoin will continue to obliterate gold or if gold will reclaim a very small percentage of value against Bitcoin. And if it does, I don't believe it's going to get above this here. In fact, I don't probably not even that high there. So maybe another 7% against Bitcoin at the very, 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 very maximum I can see is up here, about 15% against Bitcoin. Other than that, guys, we are very overbought. This trend line, we break this, guys, it's undoubtedly so that this trend line will be retested. And the likelihood is that we'll probably come back down to this level and then continue to go lower as Bitcoin's value increases drastically against gold. And I have to show you the exact same chart is happening on silver. Okay, so I don't even need to go to the higher time frames because you guys can see long term since the beginning of 2023 here, we've had resistance down this zone. We are now coming to an overbought perspective. Yes, we have higher lows, but we also have lower highs and huge downward pressure, guys. So silver would not even gain 8-9% against Bitcoin, okay, in the moment before we continue this long trend, guys. Silver is going to break this trend here against Bitcoin. As you can see here, it is about to lose extraordinary value against Bitcoin. You know, this is the level that I would probably consider to see by the end of the next bull cycle, in my personal view, and that's just against Bitcoin. I'm not talking about the US dollar. Okay, and as you can see here, Bitcoin has literally only just gone up against the US dollar continuously. And if you don't believe me, I've put this rainbow chart all the way up to 2023, which is up here at this kind of section over here. And every single time we have a Bitcoin halving, we pumped. Bitcoin halving, we pumped. Bitcoin halving, we pumped. We're coming up to halving, guys. I've been in the market since here. Okay, since this level around here. Okay. So I have been in this market a long time and I'm accumulating. And I personally hold some gold and silver and I'm about to sell it out against Bitcoin, guys, because I believe it and so should you. And if you want to go and have a look at more information, well, Mr. MicroStrategy, there is no second best, guys. There is absolutely no second best. Let's go and listen to this video and what MicroStrategy has to say. But before I do that, I hope you have absolutely enjoyed this content on this video that I have done for you. I hope you can smash 100 thumbs up on this video because I have just found some incredible information that I have not seen anywhere else. So I am probably one of the first people to bring this up against up on the internet. So make sure to give me a fat thumbs up on that video. And of course, if you guys want to trade Bitcoin with me, then make sure to hit my Bitflex link, my Bybit link below. I'm going to show you this video, and then I'm going to show you exactly what's going to happen in the halvings and where we have come from there. Wait for this video.
Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. But take all your money, buy Bitcoin. Then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin. Then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business, it's in your family for 37 years, and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin.
Wow. Absolutely insane, guys. Literally, what he is saying is sell, I'm not being literal, but sell the clothes on your back to buy Bitcoin, okay? Because it is absolute generational wealth. And if you don't believe that, well, look at this chart, this rainbow chart. Bitcoin has never, ever come below, even if it dips below, it always bounces back up. But it has never, ever got below the previous high at the following year's bear market low, okay? So never, ever happened. This is what happens during the Bitcoin halvings. This is the inception in 2009. There were 50 Bitcoin being mined per block, okay? The price was at something $0.000. I don't know the actual answer for that, but it was around that, okay? In 2012 was the first halving, and all halvings reduced Bitcoin mining by 50%, okay? So in other words, from 2009 at the inception to 2012, we now, per block is only 25 Bitcoin mined. So you can see what I've done for the rest of it, all the way up to 2072, because beyond this, I don't think it actually becomes relevant anymore because your Satoshi levels are so low, and Bitcoin at this point will probably be absolutely insane, probably to the value of, I mean, 80 to $100 million of Bitcoin, guys. At that point, if you had 0.01 Bitcoin, undoubtedly so, you can see that you would be an absolute millionaire at that point. Look at this. This is the gains. And I'm only going to show you the gains on another video. I'm not going to show it to you on this video. I have to calculate it very correctly and precisely for you guys. But so far, I can tell you something. The gains are insane. And by the time Bitcoin gets up to 27 million, guys, that's already 1,000x there. Okay. Just make note of that because I hope you can conceptualize this. Okay. That right now, as you can see, Bitcoin has only ever gone up. It has never ever over its time, the value has increased. It has never decreased. It has never gone below the previous year's value, the high, etc. And this is what's happening here, is that it went from $0 to $12.30 in 2012 to $680. And these are the halving dates. I'm not talking about the highs even, guys. I'm just talking about halving times, what the price was at the halving points, okay? So from $0 to $12.30 to $680 to $8,590 to where we currently are today. So if Bitcoin didn't even move until the Bitcoin halving, we are still sitting at $27,000, which would be way higher than the $8,590. And this is what I'm saying to you guys. I hope you can see this now, that Bitcoin is literally the #1 asset. And when I show you beautiful charts, like the gold Bitcoin chart, guys, literally gold is seen to be the #1 asset. Yes, oil, etc. But gold is more valuable than oil. Okay, you know that. Gold is just sub $2,000 an ounce, whereas oil's like for a barrel is 100 liters or 200 liters. I don't even know what the size of a barrel is, but that's just about $85 today, guys. This is not a joke. It's more valuable than anything else, and it is going to continue to increase in value. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, please. I want 100 likes on this video, guys. I'm not kidding. I've got a big enough community. That's 10% of my community to like this video. Make sure to hit the Bitflex link and my Bybit link to get yourself even more liquidity, more cash, just like MicroStrategy said. Do whatever necessary to get all the money possible to buy Bitcoin. I love you all. Appreciate you all. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll hopefully see you on the next one. And I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know down in the comments below.